Maybe a little closer. What's up, everybody? It's about 11 a.m. We are headed to the airport right now. What we got going on is we are headed back to the U.S. Virgin Islands. This time we're doing a shoot for Boatopia. It's going to be a little bit bigger boat than last time, 120-foot Lazzarra. We're going to be out there for 3 days, flying in today. Probably just going to do a little walk around, walk through, check out the whole boat and all that today. Maybe shoot some cabins, you never know. The good thing is we've been out to the U.S. Virgin Island recently, so we know what the layout is. You know, FPV mountain surfing down the mountains, the cool little bays, the beautiful color of water, all the good stuff that there is. I also left my tripod on the last shoot, so I have to go pick that up. But headed to the airport right now, and I will see you guys at the Virgin Islands. We arrived here in the U.S. Virgin Islands, taking a taxi down to Yacht Haven Grand. Going to be meeting the boat over here. It's a nice sunset, so I might put the drone up, see what we can get location-wise. But otherwise, we'll be shooting tomorrow. We just finished the morning drone flying, got one good flight in with the regular drone, one good flight in with FPV, some pretty dope stuff. We had the perfect formation, sun came out, popped in and out a few times, but we mostly had the sun out. Got those kind of slow cruising shots because they didn't want to get salt spray on the boat. We're going to set up right now for the water toys. I'm also going to be shooting some of the cabins and definitely all the exteriors kind of at anchor here just because it's a little bit easier. Any stage stuff, and then of course the water toys, and then we'll do the running shots towards the mid-end of the day. We are setting up the water toys here, foil boards, scuba gear, sea bobs. We have completed the water toys kind of lifestyle portion of things. Jet skis, cruising around, cool shot coming from the beach over here, a lot of drone stuff, a lot of FPV stuff, some GoPro POV stuff. Unfortunately, the sun has been in and out, very annoying. As you can see right now, clouds occasionally covering it. We're sitting around waiting, and it's just been very annoying. So some of the shots are a little bit cloudy, but it is what it is. We're gonna do another shot over here at the beach. We're gonna be heading there with the tender, doing a little beach setup, maybe bring the drone with me, see what we can do there. have just wrapped up the sunset runs. You can look at the sunset right there, as well as the dinner scene. Got some dope regular drone stuff. Also sent the FPV off to the island from up high because I was losing signal, down to the second island, down to the boat. A little bit of running stuff with the tender. Got some golden hour stuff there, and then like I said, the dinner scene. That is a wrap for today. We do have a proposed breakfast scene tomorrow. I am going on a little bonus mission today. Got some time to kill before the flight, and upon doing some research, there's a beach called Hull Bay up north. There's gonna be about 6 to 8 foot waves there, so pretty serious, as calm as it is on this side. It's gonna be pretty big over there, so I'm gonna taxi over, head over there right now. I just spotted a sea turtle. I'm here at Hull Bay. You can see the waves are breaking pretty well off in the distance. The problem is there's nobody here. There's no surfers here, and the surf shop that I found on Google doesn't really exist. It's actually a guy who kind of travels around, and I guess he's normally based here. So I just been drone surfing, sending the FPV drone off into these waves, kind of getting nice and low and pretending like I'm surfing. You know, I got to do something here. And then I have a couple hours before I hit the airport, and that'll be a wrap for this location. So from the US Virgin Islands, I will see you guys in the next one.